আহক আমি আমাৰ দেশৰ এই তামিলনাডুৰ কনিষ্ঠ শিশু বিজ্ঞানী তথা প্ৰকৃতিপ্ৰেমী বিনিশা উমাশংকৰৰ বিষয়ে জানো আহক যিয়ে মাত্ৰ 14 বছৰ বয়সত স্কটলেণ্ডৰ গ্লাছগোত হোৱা বিশ্ব জলবায়ু সন্মিলনত উদ্ধান্ত ভাষণেৰে বিশ্বৰ নেতাসকলৰ লগতে সমগ্ৰ বিশ্ববাসীক আচৰিত কৰি তুলিছিল
I am not just a girl from India. I am a girl from Earth, and I'm proud to be so. Many of my generation are angry and frustrated at leaders who have made empty promises and failed to deliver. And we have every reason to be angry. But I have no time for anger. I want to act. I am not just a girl from India. I am a girl from Earth. And I'm proud to be so. I'm also a student, innovator, environmentalist, and entrepreneur. But most importantly, I'm an optimist. However, I'm not here to speak about the future. I am the future. In 2030, by when we must halve our carbon emissions, I'll be just 24 years old. By 2050, when we will assess whether net zero has been achieved or not, I'll be in my early 40s. And by 2100, hopefully still going strong at 94. The point is that me and my generation will live to see the consequences of our actions today. Yet none of what we discuss today respect that we stop talking and start doing. We, the Earthsot Prize winners and finalists, need you to back our innovations, projects, and solutions, not an economy built on fossil fuels, smoke, and pollution. We need to stop thinking about old debates because we need a new vision for a new future. So you need to invest your time, money, and effort in us to shape our future.